Now we are going to start worksheet 2 of chapter 4. First question. Find the reciprocals of each of the following. Previous also we have done reciprocals, like 12 it is here. So we'll write 1 upon 12. Okay, so let's start. So first question is 12 raised to 5. So what is the reciprocal of, first we are going to take the reciprocal of the base only. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of 12? It is 1 upon 12. 12 means 12 upon 1. So reciprocal will be 1 upon 12. And the whole raised to, we are going to write this exponent only. So 1 upon 12, the whole raised to 5. Okay. Next, again minus 9 means it is minus 9 upon 1. Okay. Upon 1. So for first we'll write for the number like 9 upon 1. So we'll write 1 upon 9. Okay. And the minus L will write up only. And the whole raised to this 4. Okay. Next, 2 upon 7. So the reciprocal is 7 upon 2 and the whole raised to 3. Okay. Next, minus 3 upon 7. So first we'll write the numbers. 3 upon 7, it will become 7 upon 3. And minus sign will keep up only in the numerator. Raised to 7. Okay. Next, 1 upon 15 will become what? 15. Upon 1, so we don't write, so we will keep only 15. Okay. And minus sign will come here. The whole raised to 8. Okay. Next, 8 upon 13. So 13 upon 8 and minus will remain up. So minus 13 upon 8, the whole raised to 99. Exponent will remain same. Next, again 1 upon 10, so it will become 10 upon 1 means 10 only. And what is the exponent? 10. So 10 raised to 10. Okay. Now here there are two numbers and there is a multiplication. So first we are going to reduce this. So 2 upon 3 into 9 upon 4. So we will reduce it. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay. And here 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So what remains? 1 into 3 3 and 1 into 2 2. This is the answer. But the reciprocal we have to write. So it will be 2 upon 3. 3 upon 2 reciprocal is 2 upon 3. Okay. Now next question. 1 upon 2, the whole raised to square. Okay. The whole raised to 2 into 4. So first we are going to solve this. 1 upon 2. So when we remove this bracket and square, so we'll multiply. See, 1 square is what? 1. And 2 square is 4. Okay. And what remains? Multiply by 4. So in this cross it gets cancelled. 1 1s are 4 1s are 4 4 1s are. So what is the answer? Only 1. Okay. So the reciprocal of 1 is also what? 1. Okay. Next. Now here minus sign is out. So we'll keep it out only. And 7 upon 8 will become 8 upon 7. Okay. And raised to 2. Okay. So we have completed worksheet 2 of chapter 4. Thank you.